Hey guys, this episode of Hog Squad, I'm going out with a subscriber. His name's Brandon. He's a really cool kid. He wanted to go out on the boat, so I said, you know what? Let's send it. So basically, this episode, he wanted to catch some calicos, bonitos, get a quick warm up at Catalina Island, just see what it's all about. So had to get him out there, and yeah, it was. Well, I can tell you it went, but it's a pretty epic day out there, and it was a great time with Brandon. So I'll have that coming. Bonito on the jerkbait, that was fun, and you guys will see. So I'll catch you on the water. Peace. That first fish of the day, actual fish, who knows, maybe just a calico. And it is Mr. Calico. Little chunky bass. Pump it. Wind down on him. Catching his calicos. Brandon's first calicos right here.
Oh my gosh.
Having a blast at Catalina.
Can you see him?
No, not yet. Just keep winding.
It's hard to reel. Oh my god. Don't go on the boat.
There he is. Almost got him.
Oh. God, this one's fat. Oh my god.
There you go. Little calicos. We're gonna move it up here, try to get him on some bonita, something that pulls a little harder than these guys.
Calico. It's a baby calico. Look at that.
What is that? Yeah, little guy.
We got a fish.
Go for it, get him.
Oh, I think. No, he's gone. No, man, he's gone.
Roll him.
Baby calico.
Yep, little doinkers. Doinks. I'll get that guy off. Yeah, really stuck. Doink.
Oh, please don't go on the boat.
You're fine.
Don't break off.
I'll help you in a second.
Oh my god, dude!
Got him.
Oh, look at that!
Bounce him in the boat. Okay, I got you. There you go.
Oh no, not there!
Woo! That's a big bonito.
That's a big boy.
That's a big boy bonito.
Oh my god.
Let me get this calico.
It's a 1 minute fight.
Don't.
There's nothing on it.
Get a bait. See him right there?
Give me a bit.
Toss below. I'm gonna pitch it to him so they keep interest. Yeah. Yeah, look at him. Oh!
Try to drop it.
If I was you, they'll pitch out there. These are all calicos. Oh, that might not be a calico. Nah, it feels like it.
Oh, I already got
Smoked
it.
it. You smoked it. They're gonna smoke it.
Oh my god! Oh!
Yeah, that's a bonita. Oh, I got a bonita.
He broke it.
Bonita's on over here.
He broke mine.
We got some decent sized bugs. Hey, go get another one. Oh, I pulled the
Give me one,
hook.
give me one.
There's one. Bonita,
Yep.
most likely. Oh, there he is. You see him?
Oh, that's the bonita?
Yeah, bonehead.
Oh, let's go!
Oh shit. Come on.
Nice. Oh! Pull.
Get ready for the sea lion. All right. Good.
Should I recap? No, I'm not gonna make it.
Yeah, you will. Just wind. Just turn that crank.
Go.
No!
Turn it, turn it.
It's not a bonita, but it's...
Oh, he won't eat a calico.
Oh. I thought it was bonita, man. Are you gonna keep them?
Here.
Oh, there's so many fish here.
Grab one.
Back off.
That's not bonita.
What is that? Shark?
What? Brandon! Brandon!
Please pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. Hurry, hurry, hurry,
Bring
hurry.
line. Jesus Christ, Brandon!
That is a
Jesus
holy.
Christ. Oh my God, Brandon!
That is a big one.
What the? Oh my
I
God!
thought that was a yellowtail. Did you think it was a yellowtail?
For a second, I'm split a second. Yes, I did. Brandon.
I don't want to grab that thing.
No, you got it. It's
No, I can't.
It's like,
Sick.
look at this. This is an absolute
7
monster.
pound calico.
This thing is an absolute monster. Get this thing released.
There it goes.
No, Bonita, she's coming. Oh! Little missile. So we got a sea lion just messing around with this Bonita, chasing him around, but not your time, sea lion, not your time.
Oh my God.
Basically, right now it's just monster Bonita and calicos. I mean, not monster Bonita. We got monster calico and Bonitas, but Brandon over here was pretty hyped about that one. Yeah.
You want me to get the bat?
No. That was a clean release. Hook pulled.
I got it on video.
Well, you'll get another one in 2 seconds. Look at this kid. A natural. A natural. So basically, we're just fly lining. This is his first time out on the ocean fishing. Just getting him on some good fish. I mean, he caught the monstrous, the monster
Is that a
calico.
yellowtail?
No, that's a bonita. Oh, great. He went around the rope. Going that way. Let's go not for real. Because I'm just bringing the piling over me, the mooring.
He's like twitching. Oh no, 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 seal, seal, seal. I hate this rope.
Yo. Wait. Let me see first. Oh no, that's the wrong way. Yeah, that's good. Alright, ready? Now. Go. Get him up.
Let's go. Oh! Oh!
Cool,
Gee,
sorry.
Bonita. Don't make this complicated. We're gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go. Let's go. Got him in the boat. I think it's gone.
Oh, there we go. Bonita on the jerk thing. On a calico, throwing artificials.
I'm
got-
gone. Shredded in the heart though.
I'm throwing like 10 pound, just like some light setups for calico. Woo! Sea lions on it, sea lions on it, sea lions on it, no.
Don't let him get it.
There we go, boys.
Woo! No, the jerk bit. That's even worse.
Oh! The sea lion just missed them, but look at that. Bonita. I like to throw these Lucky Craft. They're like surf pointers, so they're like sinking little jerk baits. And I mean, best way to fish bonita is on the jerk bait because they just absolutely smack it. But the worst thing to do is get the hook out of these things. Not fun.
That's your fault, bud. No, I'll help you.
All right, so basically what I'm doing when I'm throwing the jerk bait to the bonita is I'm just hooking it out, obviously. I like throwing light with the jerk bait because it's just fun. And you just rip it through the water. You just give it blown up on. As I said that,
That was mine.
As I said that, I literally just said rip it through the water, and I am absolutely blown up on by a bonita.
That was my bonita jumped off.
But this is the best way to do it. I mean, it's fun catching live bait and all, but like when they smack it and jump out of the water for it on the jerk bait, it's, oh, Brandon, get your bait in the water, the whole school.
I don't have one.
Let's go get one. And fishing at light line too, they'll pull some drag, you know. Especially like when the yellows aren't playing. Like today, they were just not playing. This is the way to go. Next best thing. Oh, look at all this
Oh
bonitas.
my god, you idiot!
So many bonitas. And there we are. Bonita on the jerkbait. Best way to do it, I'm telling you. Best way to do it. So, as I was telling you earlier, just that boom right there. You saw it.
Oh, that thing's huge!
You saw it right there. Just that rip through the water. Oh no. Sea lion's on it. I can't. Oh, can I get this one? Oh, he's following that boat. What an idiot. Come here. This is actually the world's dumbest sea lion. Like usually some of them are actually somewhat intelligent. This one's no intelligent at all. But there he is, another jerkbait bonita. Best way to get him. I want to thank you guys so much for all the support on season 2 of Hog Squad. It's been awesome. Views went up, everything went up. Super cool. And thank you guys to all you guys who bought the merch. Awesome stuff. I mean, and all the good reviews on it. Thank you so much. I mean, don't forget to check out our merch if you haven't bought it yet, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet either. But yeah, thank you guys so much for everything this season. Season 3 will launch next week, and just fall time fishing in Southern California. So we'll still be getting the yellows, trying the bluefin thing. We're gonna try that. We're gonna do a lot of stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on season 3. Peace.